because it's involving idolatry?
Okay, so you're a little ahead of the game. So it's actually part of our class. We're going to go in Yayin Nesach in soon. I mean, maybe in a month or so. But I'm going to just give summary. So Yayin Nesach is just for everybody to know. So Yayin Nesach is a wine that a non-Jew was thinking to use for libation for idolatry. So that's for idol, libation for idol, right? So meaning if he touched it, right? If he touched this this non-cooked wine, so he shaked it, he did whatever, and it was open. The bottle was open, so it's considered Yayin Nesach, and we're not allowed to drink. So how about non-Jews? Are they allowed to drink? I think so. There is no problem whatsoever. Because today, the one leniency that we can always rely, I mean, the non-Jews can rely, and sometimes Jews can rely in some exceptional circumstances. There is some exception, and we're going to see in this book that today majority of the non-Jews, they are not idol worshippers, right? Okay. What else? Any other questions?
Say if the non-Jew shakes it with the cork on, is that considered as open?
No, it's close. It's close. And same. So this is one of the places where it says clearly. So if a Jew that does not keep Shabbos, let's say he does not know. I mean, he knows, but he has second opinion about Shabbos and stuff like that. So this. So he's considered to be like idol worshiper, mamash, and we're not allowed to drink from this wine. So this person that you want to get closer, right, to Judaism. So don't make sure you don't have in your house this non-cooked wine, or keep it by your side, and let's say your wife always sits from your right and nobody else is going to touch it. It's between you and your wife, this bottle. Nobody is like leaning over the table. So that's the possibility, right? But even in that case, one Bukharian couple came to me, right? They came to our house and they bought us like there is a Bukharian robe, like Bukharian Jews robe that they wear on the holidays, right? It's like from like Sephardi, very like it has a lot of gold, like ornament stuff like that, very interesting. So they say like this miniature to cover the bottle. It's very interesting. So it's on the one hand it is decoration, beautiful decoration. On another hand is it's actually has for halachic reasons. So this non-religious Jews would not see the wine through the bottle if it's without cork, as you said, without cork. That's the issue, right? According to Zohar, so that would be forbidden. They can even spoil this wine, even just by looking at it. That's why many Jews and the owner from the store in Monsey, is Monsey, New York, right? They told me that somehow. I don't remember how it happened. Like we were buying wine before Pesach or something. He said, "I apologize. I don't have like sealed boxes. I ran out of sealed boxes." I said, "That's fine. Give me open box. I mean, the bottles are closed. Like, where's the problem?" He said, "No, you're going to buy open box," and I was shocked. I said, "What is the problem with buying open box?" So he told me many people, not all, but many people, they're trying to be careful. And before, especially for Pesach wine, they buy in a closed like boxes, so these workers in the store would not even see it. Even there is no problem whatsoever. It double sealed. It has like a cup, right, the metal cup, and it has the plastic wrap. It's double sealed for sure. There is no problem. But some people try to be very careful for Pesach. Okay, so he apologized. I did not know what he wanted from me. Okay, no problem.